Dear students, today it is time to solve chapter 9 of class 4, and the chapter is My Land. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. What can the poet do to save his land? Answer. The poet can die to save his land. B. What does virtue do for the poet's native land? Answer. Virtue rewards the poet's native land. C. Who cannot cross the border? Answer. The enemy cannot cross the border. D. Who guards this land? Answer. Beauty guards this land. Next question. Next question is match the opposite words. Words are given in 2 columns and here answer is ready for you. Word opposite. Rare. Opposite of rare is common. Fresh. Stale. Stale is the opposite of fresh. Guard. Attack. Attack is the opposite of guard. Reward. Punish. Dull. Opposite of dull is intelligent. Brave. Coward. Coward is opposite of brave. Now next question. Next question says write true or false. On the basis of the poem you have to write true or false. A. It is a rich land. True. It is a dull and cold land. False. Really it is a warm and bold land, not a dull and cold land. That the C. The poet can do nothing for his native land. False. The poet can die for his native land, so it is false. The poet's native land is very dear to him. True. Men of this land are brave. True. Now question number 4. Write 2 rhyming words of the following. One word is given and you have to write rhyming word. Rhyming word is written here. You can write some more words that may rhyme with the first word. In blue letters answer is written. Land. Hand. Band. Mine. Nine. Fine. C. Fear. Here. Near. D. Bold. Cold. Gold. E. Guard. Hard. Card. F. Cross. Loss. Boss. Next question. 5. Fill in the blanks with the collective nouns. Some collective nouns are given here. Litter, garland, herd, gang, team, fleet, set, galaxy. And some expression are given here. We have to fill the blanks with these collective nouns. A dash of flowers. Answer garland. A garland of flowers. A dash of rovers. Answer gang. A gang of rovers. A dash of sheep. Answer herd. A herd of sheep. A dash of puppies. Answer litter. A litter of puppies. A dash of stars. Answer galaxy. A galaxy of stars. A dash of books. Answer set. A set of books. G. A dash of players. Answer team. A team of players. H. A dash of ships. Answer fleet. A fleet of ships. Today we solved the exercise work of my land. Thank you. Have a nice day.